Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eaglefly. Today I'm going to provide you two new promo codes for 1800contacts.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Eaglefly, I upload promo codes for so much other companies. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so much other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. I have two new promo codes for you. The code number one I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you $30 off of $200 for new customers. So the code number one is SC7116FOTB. Yeah, this is the code number one. Now I'm moving towards code number two. The code number two I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you this code will give you $10 off on your next order. So the code number two is CEX10A00220. This is the code number two. Simply redeem this code and get your reward. So thanks for watching.